Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to a Monday.com workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite teammates, choose the right role, and send the invitation so they can start collaborating right away. First, sign into your account and head to the Monday.com homepage. Make sure you have the right permissions for this task. Typically, only account admins or users with admin rights can add people. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, check with your account admin or confirm that your plan has available seats. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile avatar. Click it to open the profile menu. From that menu, choose Administration. This takes you into the admin area where you can manage your account settings and users. On the left-hand side, click on Open Directory and then select the Users section. This is where you see everyone currently on your account, their status, and their roles. To invite someone new, click the Invite button. A panel or pop-up will appear where you can specify who to add. In the email field, type the work email address of the person you want to invite. You can paste multiple addresses if you're inviting a group. Just separate them with commas or line breaks depending on what the field supports. Double-check spelling here. Typos are the most common reason invites don't arrive. If your organization uses domain restrictions, make sure the address you're adding matches your approved domain. Next, set the role for these new users. Open the role selector and choose Member. Member is the standard role that gives people the ability to collaborate on boards they have access to, creating items, updating statuses, and leaving comments. It's a good default for most teammates. Only assign higher privileges if your governance guidelines require it. If your account has preset roles or templates, select the one that matches how you want the user to work inside your workspace. When everything looks good, click Invite to Send. The system will email each person a secure link to join your account. Until they accept, you'll see them listed as pending in the Users section. If someone doesn't receive the email, ask them to check spam or have your IT team allow list Monday.com notifications. That's it. You went from the home page, opened your profile menu, entered Administration, navigated to Directory and Users, clicked Invite, added the email address, set the role to Member, and sent the invitation. Once they accept, they'll appear as active and can start collaborating immediately. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Monday.com.